My name is Ron Stoltz. I work for Sandia National Laboratories, and I'm the liaison between our laboratory and Sacramento's energy agencies. I'm the lead of the Transportation Judging Panel for CCTO, and this is the second year that I've been fortunate to have that position. Well, I think it's really on three levels. First, I like to meet the entrepreneurs and to experience kind of their enthusiasm and their thinking. The second thing is that I really enjoy the fellow judges because we come from a wide variety of disciplines. The third thing, and it just has happened this year, and I was writing up a little thought piece on this. I was very curious to see the difference between who submitted in what areas in transportation last year and the differences of where the entrepreneurs are clustering around this year. So last year, they focused a great deal on three things. One was ride sharing. There were a number of competition teams in ride sharing. There was a number in biofuels, which I thought was also pretty fascinating since we at our lab do a lot of biofuels work. And then the other one was electrifying alternative vehicles like scooters or all-terrain vehicles or motorcycles and the like. This year, the shift has gone to electrified automobiles and all of the support systems around making electric cars work. I get offered to be involved in a lot of business plan competitions. I've said this publicly in other forums. There are no losers in CCTO, especially once you're a finalist, everyone's a winner. And it turns out that in 2006, one of the runner-ups was a person from my laboratory, and he explained his experience, and that's really what I like with CCTO, is that the educational part between named a finalist and then when you go to the final competition, the weekend and evening seminars, or the assistance that you get from mentors is really the thing. And also, I was impressed with the sponsoring organizations at CCTO. I figure if big companies and big institutions are going to put their money towards it, then they must see a value in it, and therefore that's why I signed my laboratory up to do the same. I'm really interested and anxious to see how CCTO goes national and international. And I'm also really interested in an idea of capturing more video. I think we ought to do a reality show about CCTO. So I'm anxious to see this video capture and then how we can essentially follow maybe a competition from start to finish, almost like some of these spelling bee competitions where you follow someone all the way through and then you kind of see, well, what was their experience going through the whole process.